All right, guys, we're going to start doing lockers today. The girls are all going to go into the girls' locker room. I'm going to have the boys by grade level line up A through Z by your last names, just like alpha order, but we're going to tell you what lines to sit on. You'll sit in alphabetical order, and that's how we're going to assign you your lockers. Leaders, I'm going to need you to come and see me, and we're going to go over this clipboard. And all it is if you look really close, the first column shows the locker number. The second column shows the period number. So that's the ones we'll be assigning. So if you're in first period, you'll look for first period lockers, and then you'll assign that student that number. If the classes are really big, you'll notice some of them have the period scratched out and then the other period written in. Just go with that, because we had too many people in some classes and not enough in others. Students, as soon as you get in your alphabetical line, I need you to open up your planner to the same section that we did your SMART goals, where we wrote that box for your fitness scores. We're going to open that up, and we asked you to write locker number. When you're assigned the locker number, we're going to ask you to write that in your planner. And remember, that planner will be on page 3, not with the bulldog paw print, but this other page 3 that you used last week. You'll write your locker number in there. Then, while we're all walking down the line collecting names, I want you to write on a separate piece of paper. Get a separate piece of paper out and write clearly your first and last name and the locker number they give you. Now, when they walk up, all you're going to do is hold up the piece of paper that has your first and last name on it. They're going to write that name down and tell you the locker number. As soon as you get the locker number and they're done writing your name, you'll put the piece of paper down and write the locker number on it then. When we're all done recording all the names on the lockers, we're all going to go into the locker room and you will find your locker. If it's broken, come and see me immediately. If there's a piece of paper inside your locker already, come and see me immediately. But other than that, we're going to ask for you to put your piece of paper with your first and last name and locker number on it on the bottom. Open up the locker, put it on the bottom of the locker, and close the door and just sit in front of it. We'll come by and double check and make sure everybody's where they're supposed to be. I think then just wait and relax till everybody's done, and then we'll send you back to the gym. But I think if we do it this way, it should run pretty smoothly. Thank you very much.